If you are a miner or a participant in the Synindra project, then this video is for you and you need to pay keen attention to it, because I'm going to quickly share something that you may need it tomorrow, or you will need it right now, and you will need it just before the listing. So this video is going to be very, very interesting, and it is going to be very, very educative. So make sure that you watch everything so that you understand every single thing that I'm about to share with you in this particular video. But before we go into that, if you are new into my YouTube channel, or if you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. If you are part of those who are participating in this project, you would have discovered that recently Synindra has been having a lot of issues, especially in claiming and swapping of the tokens, swapping from ST to SDA. And ST simply means Synindra tokens, and SDA is the Synindra digital asset, and that is the token that is going to be listed on the exchanges. And let me tell you, I don't know if you have been following this Synindra and tracking them out. I've been following this project, and that is why I've been encouraging and admonishing you to do your own research and buy these tokens if you can, because this project can actually transform and change your life. Why do I say so? This is the first Arabic coin. It is the first of its kind. The first, I've been making videos and calling it the oil money, the Middle East oil money. That is the name I gave to this project. And this project is from that region, and it is the first of its kind. And let me just tell you, because it is the first of its kind, they are going to do every single thing that they can, that is within their power, to make sure that this project succeeds. And I have been doing my personal research, and I discovered that this project is actually linked to some government in that particular region. I'm not going to say beyond this, because there's some information I shouldn't be revealing out there, but it is very, very important to you. You can also do your own personal background research, and you're going to discover that. So because of they are trying to build a coin that can actually be able to a cryptocurrency that will be able to function and operate like a regional coin. So there is no way they will allow this coin to fail, and that is why I've been encouraging you, if you have the opportunity, make sure that you buy. But remember to do your research. This video is not a financial advice. I can't advise you on how to spend or do your money. Do your own research and then take your decisions based on your own understanding. Now, coming back to the mining of this project, if you have been mining, you've discovered that lately sometimes the claiming is giving issues, or the swapping is giving issues. Now, it was not like that in the early days of the Synindra project. In the early days, you just need to just come in and claim your tokens easily, and they were not running too much maintenance during that time. But lately, all of these things, they have been running a lot of maintenance and doing a lot of things. These are indicators that this project is moving towards its listing. And one of the things that has made me to believe so much in this project is the fairness and transparency that this project is building. It is not like some type of projects that we have come across where it basically pays influencers more. By that I mean that they give too much referral rewards to anybody that is inviting, which indirectly favors the influencers. This project is different. They have made it so fair and transparent that every participant, everybody, does not matter whether you are an influencer or you are just a newbie, you are anybody, you have to come to the app and then you just claim 2 Synindra coins a day. They are not issuing it too much, reducing issuance of the token. So which indirectly means that the fewer tokens that are going to be in circulation, it is definitely going to cost much. So it has been like that, and it has been like that since the day. And that, to me, this is one of the first things that I actually loved about this particular project. It is just for serious people, and those are the kind of people that are going to benefit the most. And for those of you who have been trying to participate in it and saw that you are already late or you are not mining much, you can still buy. I've told you, I've made videos about it, how you can even import it into your MetaMask. I've shown you how you can do that, and then you can buy and keep it in your MetaMask. You don't necessarily have to keep it in your Synindra, and you don't necessarily have to mine before you get Synindra tokens. A lot of people are already selling it, and I even have a vendor that is selling it. If you want to buy, you can also come to me, and I'm going to link you up on how to get it. And for those who have been struggling with their KYC, that is one of the main thing about this particular project, the KYC. If you have not done your KYC, I've helped a lot of people in the community. I've helped a lot of people right here to help them complete their KYC, and they did it at a very fair and cheap price. You know, you need to pay the branch that is processing the KYC for you, and different centers have different prices. So but the one I've been recommending to the community is the cheapest of it all. So if you are not yet done your KYC and you are set for it, all you need to do is go to the comment section of this video. You are going to see a link to my Telegram channel. Join, and then come and comment that you want to do your Synindra KYC, and then I'm going to pick up from there and then guide you on how you can do that. So this project, I strongly believe that this project is going to do well and do very, very well. So another last thing that I'm going to talk in this video is about before listing. What should you be doing before listing? I have been advising you, if you have the means and if you have done your research and you believe in this project, make sure that you buy some Synindra tokens and keep. So when you are buying it, now this is the secret. There is something in crypto, I don't know if you have heard about it. There is a sentence, there is a logic that we usually say. We say, buy the rumor and sell the news. Buy the rumor and sell the news. So what does that mean? The rumor is that right now, people, if you have been hearing, I'm not just the only one that is talking about this project. A lot of people have been championing this project even before its listing, saying that if you have the means, buy it. That is rumor of the potentials of this project. And then you are supposed to grab that opportunity to buy this particular token. Buy it and just keep it. Have it. So as you are buying it, that is the rumor. Now, when the secret is this, right now people don't really see the value of it. That's why you see that a lot of people are selling. It. And let me tell you, investors are pumping money to buy and hold this token, especially from the Middle East. And that is why I've been gingering it. So now, as people are trying to buy right now, the day you hear that Synindra has announced its listing, let me tell you, the price will skyrocket even in the black market everywhere, because that time people will start to understand what this project, and then they will be rushing to it. Then the price will naturally pump. So at that time, before it even lists, you can sell it and book massive profit. You can sell part of it and keep part for listing. It is you can decide. It is your choice. You can also decide to sell everything, because believe me, at that time the price will naturally be excessively good, and if you have been buying, you can book massive profit at that time. So that is the secret you can do to be able to get maximum amount of profit from this particular project. And let me tell you, this Synindra has a blockchain of its own. They have been building other tokens under the blockchain of Synindra, and it is over. Right now there are more than 500 tokens that have been built under the Synindra blockchain, and more are still coming. If you, even their DEX, I'm picking this announcement from their DEX, and then you can see that they actually posted on X here 12 hours ago, and they say official announcement from Subverse for Synindra. We are excited to announce that the Subverse P website is officially live. This is a milestone to represent key step forward in our mission to build scalable payment and subscription infrastructure designed for real world utility and long-term adoption. Now, these are other more utilities that this project is still building, aside tokens that are being built under the blockchain of the Synindra. So guys, a lot is going on that you are not aware about this particular project. So if you are not yet participating, I don't know, well, that's the quick information I thought of sharing with you in this particular video. So if you are a participant in this project, make sure that you key into this any of these that fits you the best, and then position well before the listing. So that will be all for now, and that's what I wanted to share with you. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So thank you so much. See you in my next video.